Now, as I promised, I will show you that how you can create the instant form in the Facebook. So to do that, there are many ways. You can initially create and save it, or else you can go here, click on the add all tools and search here. There will be a called instant form. Click on that. Once you click on this, it will open in the new tab. And in the new tab, you need to just follow the instruction. Let's say this I created here. If you want to create new form, click on the new create a new form and click on the new and next here. And here what you need to do, you need to give the name. Let's say for example, dental implanter test. Okay, for example. And here there are many options. You can hire intent, reach creatives. But when you're running the for the leads inquiries, I want to go with the maximum higher volume to get this flexible form delivery. Yes, optimized. We'll leave it as a default because Facebook knows better than us. Okay, click on the save time to time. Next, here you have the button called next. So in the next, what you need to do that you need to add the headline. Let's say, for example, your clinic, XYZ clinic. Let's say, for example, scale up, X, scale of Excel dentist, for example, name. Okay. So as you type here, it's appearing here. These are the preview you can see. So what you can do, let's say, for example, scale up dentist, add the description. Scale up dentist will add so many things. You can add services offer, and we are services offer. We are like so many things you can add here. Whatever the meta allows. Okay. Okay. You can add the description and click on the save draft button or go with the next. Let's say, as I told, right, when you're using the instant form, don't go by default. Let's say if you continue here, what will happen? Only you will create the form by email ID and name. And most of the time, these are all pre-filled by the Facebook whenever someone is saying that. And when you do that, you will not get the qualified leads. For example, here you need to add at least 2 to 3 questions. To add the questions, click on this add question. It may be short answer or it may be multiple option. Okay, let's say for example, I will go with the short answer. First one, let's say what problem you are facing. Okay, and question mark. This is kind of detail that people will fill that what's the problem they are facing. Okay, next could be that next question could be that when are you, this is multiple choice I'm taking, when are you planning to visit clinic? Okay, question, maybe kind of tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Maybe these are the multiple questions. Tomorrow, in next 3 days. Next question is that um, in next 7 days, for example. Okay, like this, you can add multiple questions. No, in that kind of meta gives us the option to add. Okay, these are the 2 questions we added. You see here. This is my second question. And if you want to add any other qualifying question, yes, you need to add. These are the qualifying questions, by the way. Okay. You can add multiple questions here. And now with this, we'll move forward. So again, contact information, you need to add here that why you are collecting the data. So you can add that we are collecting data to send kind of inquiry responses. Okay. This is the done. And next, this is the thing here. Choose the type of information you need, kind of email, full name, and we can add one more kind of phone number. That is important for us most of the time. Phone number, you select now. Now you are good, right? Say if you go and see here, you can see the preview. Problem you are facing. Second question. Okay, hold on. Okay. So this is the description here. What you are seeing, and next is that these are the um, email, phone number, and your full name. It is there next. And next, you need to add that kind of some of the privacy policies and all the things you need to add here. The privacy policy is link you need to add. Let's say, for example, as of now, I will add my dental practice landing page link. Okay, but actually, you need to create the privacy policy link, and you need to add. And next option is that whatever you want to choose, you can send them to the website, or you can send them to your profile, or whatever you can do, and click on the next. So what I'm doing that, this is the final the page here, message for the leads, headlines, kind of thanks you all said, you can visit the website or exit for now. Instead of doing that, we can say visit our website, where you can give the link of the your landing page, or maybe if you want to redirect them to the your Instagram profile, that also you can do. Just you need to add here under the link Instagram profile link. That's all. Okay, call to action is a visit website, or maybe kind of visit my Instagram profile. Once this is done, click on the create. So these are all we created the form. Now, let's say someone filled this form. What do you need to do? Once they fill the form, you should not be relying on only the collecting the data from here. You or your receptionist or maybe front desk calling to your leads. If you are doing so, definitely you are losing money. And for that, I'm stressing so much here, you should have the backend system. Backend system, I'm not telling that you use this particular system, that this. I want you to use the system which the converting inquiries into the patient, which will happen only when you reach immediately do those inquiries, or reach within and maybe 30 to 1 hour maximum. And I see that most of the time when you call the clinic, the people will not respond, or maybe the people who submit the form, people will call after 1 or 2 days, and that absolutely wrong. By that time, that person might have already taken the treatment with some other clinic nearby your area or something. That's where you are losing the money in the Facebook ads. So now I'll show that one of the backend system where I'm using that backend system called Go Systemizer. In this system, you have the many options, but I don't want to bombard all the things. I want to show that how this concept is going to work. Let's say someone filled the form. Once they fill the form, what will happen? Those contacts will directly come and sit in your contact management here, and from here, what will happen? Automatically, you can send an email, WhatsApp, SMS based on what you want, or all or three, by saying that, hey, XYZ, you send an inquiry, and maybe kind of our front end desk will call you regarding your appointment, or maybe kind of you can write, okay, Mr. XYZ, we got an inquiry. We hope you are looking some treatment from us, and here is the appointment available slot if you have already in place that, and then you can do that. Let's say, for example, here if you see that root canal lead form. Let's say someone is to fill the form in the Facebook, and now you are getting that all the inquiries in your CRM. It is an absolute great thing, right? Let's say someone is filling the form, and the form is that root canal form, and once they submit this, and you are sending them email, WhatsApp, SMS. Here I just added one email because I cannot add the multiple WhatsApp number and multiple SMS here, because I've connected many things to my system, and that I cannot do. But the thing is that you can, let's say, for example, after this email, if you want to send the WhatsApp, okay, you can send the WhatsApp. Okay, you can send the voice message. You can send, let's say, for example, voice message. If you want to send voice email, you can send the voice mail. If you want to send the SMS, I think that send SMS here, you need to connect all your number, and all three can go at a time. Or maybe you can strategize your thing. Send a confirmation WhatsApp, send after 1 hour an email, send after 1 day SMS, or you can do multiple things. And if you don't have this nurturing system or maybe follow-up system, and please don't run the Facebook ads. It's my humble request, because you are losing the money. Without this system, nothing is going to happen. Okay, now in this system, you will have the one more important thing, that is CRM system, where you can segregate the people inquired, people maybe to booked appointment, people maybe told that I'll come someday, some tomorrow or something, or maybe the patient told that something cancelled, or maybe they might have taken your next level of treatments. All these you can segregate. Let's say, for example, patient inquiry here, and patient appointment book, patient cancelled, and patient avoid your kind of service, what service that you can here and segregate. And based on this segregation, you can further send an WhatsApp, email, and nurturing things, and also that send an time to time some greetings, all the things you can do. And there is no limit to do the things to get the patient or maybe acquire the patient. So this is what we call that patient acquisition system. Now I walk you through from creating the structure, what should be there. Okay, this is entire structure. and I shown you the live how you can set up your Facebook ads coming from the Meta business ad page and everything. And then I shown you the CRM system where you can convert inquiries into a real patients, and it may be OPDs, and after that you are upselling or maybe giving the treatment based on their the problem, maybe crowns, Invisaligns, or maybe root canals, or maybe just a fillers, or maybe a tooth cleaning or tooth whitening or whatever. Many things you can do, but the only thing is that you need to follow the system. And now with this system, if you follow, I'm sure that you will not complain that marketing doesn't work. Facebook ad was not working for me, and Facebook, even though spending, let's say for example, 30,000 per month, or maybe some dollars in every month, I'm not getting the required, or maybe ROI, return on investment, whatever. Those all things can going to be solved. Now the problem is not the your maybe treatment, or maybe not your clinic, or not maybe you. The problem is that you don't have the system. Maybe you are using some system that is broken, maybe, or maybe you don't have any system, but only the running the ads for the boosting the page or sending them to Instagram without having the proper system. That's where your ads are not working. So now I'm sure that you got the insight on with this, and I'm again. This is the long video for that. Yes, of course, this needed because I covered many things. So if you are someone, a dentist, after doing this, if you are still struggling, yes, put in a comment in this video. I can help you on that. Or further that, if you want the help of expert like me, I'm running a Go Systemizer SaaS company, and also I'm running an agency, and I'm helping the exclusively dentist by the name of brand name Dental Growth Engine, where we are walking you through, or maybe helping you through where you are facing the problem with analyzing the system gaps, or maybe whatever you are facing. And if you are someone, go ahead and book an appointment with me. Below in the description there is a link to book an appointment, and further we can discuss. And if all these things, right, you if you like this video, or maybe something, if you want to share to your friends or someone, yes, of course you can like and share and do that. But I don't want to do like and share only. I want you to watch this and take the use of this entire video, and I want you to help. And if you want someone to get the help, is of course we can discuss again. Okay, with that, thank you, take care, bye.